Upanishad. Last week we started this new topic, the meaning of I am Brahman. So in this context, we saw that when the teacher explains to the disciple the Mahavakya, Tattvam Asi, and the meaning of the two words Tat and Tvam, using the methodology of superimposition and desuperimposition, Adhyaropa, Apavada, then what happens? The qualified student grasps the import of this sentence, Tattvam Asi, and he contemplates upon this Mahavakya, as a result of which in his mind is formed a vritti, which is called the Akhandakara vritti or Brahmakara vritti, that is a thought movement or a thought modification with regards to Brahman. Brahman by nature of being eternal, pure, self-luminous, free, the real and bliss absolute, infinite and also non-dual, the one without a second. This is what happens in his mind. And then we saw the author telling us that this mental modification, this Brahmakara vritti, destroys the ignorance of Brahman in his mind. And this we know is called as vritti vyapti. That is what we see. And when he continues to contemplate upon this truth, what happens is he realizes himself to be that Brahman. And when this happens, the author gives the analogy of a piece of cloth. He says that when we take a piece of cloth and when we burn all the threads one by one which make up this cloth, then naturally what happens? The cloth is also burnt. Similarly, when the ignorance of Brahman is destroyed in the mind of this disciple who contemplates upon this vritti, then what happens? The effect of ignorance, like the Maya and all the products of Maya, they also get destroyed, and along with that, this particular vritti itself get dissolved. It no more exists, and what exists is only Brahman. That is what happens. And then he further continues this same point with further analogy when he says